Do you know how to write a good paragraph? Knowing how to write a good paragraph is an important part of writing in English. In this video, I will talk about something that we call unity and coherence. Both of these are necessary skills to be able to write a good, clear paragraph. Let's get started. Let's talk about how to write a paragraph. A paragraph is made up of a group of sentences that are united. This is what we call unity in a paragraph. And this is what coherence means. Every sentence connects to one main idea and flows together as one unit. Let's first talk about unity in a paragraph. A paragraph always needs a topic sentence that clearly states what the main idea is for that particular paragraph. Each paragraph will have a topic sentence that will help the reader know what will be discussed in that paragraph. When you write a paragraph, if the topic sentence is written clearly, it's easier to write the rest of the paragraph. Each sentence should add more information about the main idea by either adding an explanation or an example or other details necessary to support the main idea. Now, all of the sentences in the paragraph should help to develop that main idea. You do not want to add any unrelated information into the paragraph. The sentences should all be connected to your main topic sentence. Here's an example paragraph that we can look at to talk about all these different parts. Now, this paragraph is talking about writing in English. We can see this from the topic sentence. The rest of the sentences talk more about how writing in English can be difficult for many foreign students. There are examples and explanations about why writing in English can be difficult. And you can also see a conclusion sentence at the end of the paragraph. Let's look a little bit more closely at this paragraph. As you can see, the main idea of this paragraph is that writing in English can be difficult. The first sentence is the topic sentence that clearly states this idea. Then, sentence 2 explains one reason for this. Sentence 3 gives an example to help explain further. And the fourth sentence adds another reason why it can be difficult in English. And sentence 5 adds more information about sentence 4. And then the final sentence gives the conclusion. The other part of writing a good paragraph is having coherence. In an English paragraph, the sentences need to be connected to each other. To do this, we often include certain words between sentences. In the previous example, paragraph, sentence 3 begins with the words, "for example." Now, these are connecting words. Now, here's the paragraph again. You can see that the words "for example" connects sentence 2 with sentence 3. Sentence 4 begins with the word "also." This connects sentence 4 to the rest of the paragraph. These words help to make the paragraph flow. Each sentence flows and is connected with the sentence before. This is what we mean by coherence. Now, there are many of these transition words that are used in good English writing. Transition words connect your ideas so that your paragraph will be unified. Here's a list of possible transitions that you could use. Many of these transition words are used in good academic essays to help your paragraphs to be unified and show coherence. Try using some of these in your writing. Let's look at one more paragraph. Here the topic sentence says, "Many people are busy today and cooking from scratch is often difficult, so many people are turning to ready-made foods." This sentence tells us what the main idea of this paragraph will be about. The following sentences will explain more about this topic sentence. The next two sentences explain more about the topic sentence, and then there is a transition word, "in addition." After this, more information is added. And then another transition word is added. For example. And then an example is given about the previous sentences. And then another transition word gives more information. And finally, we have our conclusion sentence. This is how to write a good paragraph. As you can see, unity and coherence are important parts of a well-developed English paragraph. Try to follow this pattern when you write your paragraphs.